In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Google Docs. This is a really handy skill whether you're organizing your personal schedule or planning events. We're going to walk through each step so you'll have your own calendar ready in no time. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing google.com in the address bar. From here, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you're already logged in, you can skip to the next step. If not, simply click on the Sign In button, which is typically found at the top right of the page. Enter your email address when prompted, then click Next. You'll then be asked for your password, so go ahead and type it in, followed by clicking Next again. With your account now up and running, we're ready to move on to the next step. On the top right corner of your Google homepage, you'll notice a small box with 9 dots, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. Click on that, and a menu will drop down with various Google applications. From this menu, select Google Docs. This will take you directly to the Google Docs dashboard, where you can create and manage your documents. Once you're in Google Docs, locate the blank option to open a new document. Now, let's start building your calendar. Click on Insert from the top menu and then select Table. When the table grid appears, you'll want to create a 7x6 table. The reason we're using a 7x6 table is simple. It gives us the days of the week in 7 columns and enough rows to accommodate every potential week in a month. In the first row of your table, you'll need to type the days of the week. You can choose whether you want to start with Sunday or Monday, depending on your preference or local convention. Simply click into each cell of the first row and type the day names you prefer. Now it's time to fill in the dates for the month you're planning. Start with the first day and continue filling in the subsequent days, moving from left to right across the rows. If you're unsure of which weekday the month starts on, a quick calendar reference can help you with that. By the time you've filled in all the dates, you'll have a fully functional calendar laid out in Google Docs. From here, you can customize further by adding colors or notes to specific days as needed. And there you have it. Your very own calendar made easily accessible, ready to be printed or shared digitally. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial and happy planning.